Hey Jim, this is Nathan. I hope you're doing well, sir. I know you're super busy. I wanted to take a few minutes to record a video just so you understand how we set everything up for the virtual QuickBooks. Hopefully, this will help a better understanding for the team, for you, for Stephanie, for Caitlin, Angela, and whoever else. So, just a few minutes of your time here on this video. These are the three servers we have at SCS. Now, you say three, like, what do you mean three? Well, there's the physical server, the actual big HP there. And then we have two virtual servers living inside of it. This is the one that GaleTech set up, and this is, the domain controller. And this is the new one we made on the weekend, SCS-QB-remote. This virtual server is where we set up the QuickCloud service so that we can have many people connect into QuickBooks at the same time without kicking anybody off the server, and multiple users can get in QuickBooks at the same time. So that's the virtual server that we set up, and that's how the MyCloud service is running off of. To get to the MyCloud, I did send an email, but just wanted to visually show you. You should have this program. We want to get this installed for anybody who needs to have remote access. You double click. I'm sorry, this is the one. That was the installer. You double click the My QuickCloud icon, and that's going to bring up your login screen for My QuickCloud. And I made you and Stephanie and Caitlin admins, so you have full access to this as well. I'm going to log in as me. And yours should basically look identical to what mine looks like here as far as what you have on the side. So a moment ago I showed you that virtual server, the SCS QB remote. That correlates to this. This is my workspace, and if you click on this, that'll bring you to your own session on that virtual server, like an actual desktop and all the programs and everything. And we can set this up for virtually as many people as you want or need, and they all have their own computer desktop to work off of, which is pretty exciting if we're looking to add more people down the road. The other option, the QuickBooks icon, that opens up just the QuickBooks application by itself without the whole desktop and everything else. To manage all this, you just click the Manage button. Currently, we have 5 user licenses, and under here, I have the people currently assigned, and we can change this, add to this, subtract, whatever we need to do. And if you want to, save some money on the licensing here, this was actually way cheaper than doing the other route with GoDaddy and doing domain registrations and security certificates and maintaining all of that. This is $25 per person per month. And we can cut down on this if we want to by having somebody share the same login. They just wouldn't be able to use it at the same time. So anytime we need to adjust this, just let us know, or I can work with Stephanie. We can adjust this. I can get off of here and we can assign this to somebody else if you want. Under here, under apps, or settings rather, you can choose full screen for the session. You can choose printers, drives, plug and play devices, clipboard, and you can also do use all my monitors for the remote session. So if somebody wants all of their screens used, they can check this box and that'll use it. That's a quick summary. Under the Manage section, this is our current host. That's the server, the SCS QB remote. And it shows the apps here. We can publish other apps in here if we ever wanted to. We don't have to just do QuickBooks. We could do other programs as well, which is pretty neat. And there was a screen in here to show who's active. I'm actually not sure where that is right now to see which people are currently logged in, but there is a way to see that. It might be on the cloud dashboard here. Let me log in. So you can also log in this way through the browser. You can log in. And on this view, you can check hosts here, and this will show you active sessions. So anybody who's currently using QuickBooks in the virtual server, this doesn't show people using QuickBooks in the office. So this only shows you the people who are using it on the virtual, and currently nobody appears to be logged in at the moment. I hope this is a helpful, quick summary of how it all works. I believe this will suit everything you guys need. It's certainly way faster and more reliable than using the VPN for QuickBooks, which turns out that's not supported or recommended by QuickBooks. They don't recommend using a VPN because of slowness. They say you should log into a computer in the network. And that's precisely what this does. And it's a lot safer and faster. I'm going to close out now. You know how to do all the QuickBooks stuff. But please let me know if this helps out. And so far, I think Caitlin and Angela are good. We're working on a printer issue with their development team right now to get that piece working. But everything else seems to be good. I will send this over to you now and hope to talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Bye.